The Rubik's Cube third layer. Right, done the top, got the sides. I'm now just going to see those two corners are in the right, all the corners are in the right place. Yeah, so this should just now, you've got one corner which is what you need. You need to use the base colour nearest the corner, which is because that hasn't got one. That's the base colour. Do a corner move from there, which is this green, clear face. Green goes into there. Gives you that 4 sequence move. Then 3 sequence moves. 3 sequence from the completed surface, and you've finished the cube, and that should give you a completed cube, which it does.